and we are at the booth of Walnut Technology to look at Spectra, a world's first electric skateboard, in ways which we will elucidate shortly. If you'd like to come down to the show, remember globalsources.com/exhibitions is the place to go to get free admission and preview the whole thing. But right now, let's turn to Daphne. Hi, Daphne.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm great.
Good. Okay, so tell us about Spectra. What's special about this e-skateboard?
Yeah, so Spectra is the world's first 3D posture control electric skateboard, and different from the traditional electric skateboard, we had 3 different ways to control it. The first one is the posture control that we have. So simply step on the sensors. So you can see there are 5 sensors here. So step on the sensors, keep balance, lean forward, and it will go forward. Lean backward, it will gradually slow down. And when you're off the board, it will stop automatically. So we also have the traditional remote controller as well. And also we have an app that you can upgrade the firmware of the skateboard. And also you can post like pictures and videos on your social media platform and share it with other players.
I see,
Yeah.
okay. So when you say you control it you actually move your feet onto the control surface. It's not like leaning like on a normal skateboard.
Yeah.
You have to move your feet around.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
sounds a bit challenging. And what's the deal with the lighting here? Is that available in different styles? Or?
So for this model, you can see this is a carbon fiber unibody. So LED light in front just secures the ride at night. So we have 3 different modes of the speed. So at different speed, it would have different lights on it. Yeah.
Okay. So you can remember how fast you're going. All right, so I suppose the next thing to do is to see it in action. Is it okay if I try this out?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm nervous now because I thought this was going to be like a normal skateboard, but it's not. Okay, so if you're a skateboarder and you think that it's just going to be like standing on it and riding a skateboard that pushes for you, turns out that is not the case. You have to move your feet on the little control panels, but I think if I were to practice for more than like 30 seconds, maybe I would get good. And it has a hand controller as well available?
Yeah, we have a remote controller. So
can we take a look? Yeah, it's pretty fun. Exercising how to nearly kill your camera operator as well. So let's take a look at the hand controller. Oh yeah. Could I have a bit of open space? Okay, it's got a Bluetooth connection.
Yeah, that is connected. So it will forward, then it go forward.
Yeah.
And like reverse, then it go.
Oh, you got a little gear selector. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So we can try it.
Okay, let's try that. Simple. And back. Nice. Pretty handy. So, well, let's go and take a look at the app if we could. Is that okay? Yeah. So, yeah, as you can see, the innovation here then is you don't need to use the hand controller. Though you can if you want to, but it's all done just by leaning and in a way that I don't know how to do. And in a second, see, this is how you actually ride it. Smooth. Right, so let's take a look at the app,
Okay,
if you could show us.
Like the app. So this is the app. Then you connect. Yeah. So
Oh, the little flash means it's done, right?
Yeah. So you can see there are 3 different modes. There's 3 different modes.
Yeah.
So
Beginner,
you put the
sport,
remote controller, then you just control it like this.
Oh, right.
Then it goes
And
backwards.
backwards.
Yeah.
Nice. And you mentioned photo sharing. What's that? What's
Yeah.
that about?
But that needs to. So here you can see like different like players share their videos and photos there, and you can like connect with other players from all over.
So it's like a product with a built-in social
Yeah,
network
yeah,
that comes
yeah.
with it. All right, so then I guess important business questions follow.
Yeah.
What's the MOQ and the price for the Spectrum?
For MOQ for Spectra, we actually don't have an MOQ, so we can take like orders for like different amounts. You can take 1, 10, 100.
All right.
Even more is better, of course.
Sure.
Yeah.
And if I wanted to get, okay, let's say 100, how much would each one cost?
For each one, so for the, we can say like the MSRP price for different models, then we can have like 36 to 40% profit margin.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's going to depend on your market a bit.
Yeah.
Like,
So because of course, if you have different order amounts, then we will have like different price for you.
okay, so it's a come talk to us proposition.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go.